we want to start with the address only submissions. Walk me through with someone who just gives you an address and falls out. How do you handle those guys, and what do you continually do to drip on them ongoing?
So that's a really good question. It's almost the scenario. So usually when someone gives me an address only submission, I actually prefer those because I love handwritten notes. You never get mail anymore. Real mail. That's not a bill or some coupon that you're never going to use to a restaurant you'll never eat at. So I love to handwrite notes. I have a beautiful stationery. It's a very high quality linen that's got our logo on it. And if we're this one actually has a lot of space to write. If we're just dropping a quick note to a current client, it's got our logo on it. Linen is always nice. It's worth the extra money. People think it's very high quality. And our envelopes are also linen. And when you put that in there, that ink that you write, if you don't have good handwriting, print off the mailing labels. It helps. People love handwritten notes. It takes less than 48 hours in the Knoxville market to get mail. Anywhere else in Knoxville, it has to go through 2 mail places. Anyway, people love that. So by the time that you've sent that in the mail, hey, I've received your StreetText notification that you were interested in a property that we had or interested in selling your property. The funnel wasn't filled out completely and all I have is your address and name. How can I be of assistance? And you put your card in there and you mail it out. You wait 48 hours. I would wait 48 hours total. I would kind of do a little something different as in circle prospecting around that house. A whole different ball game that I add to StreetText. I have a lot of additions that I personally add to get the most value out of this product. I use this product almost exclusively. So I will take that address. I'll put it into my circle prospecting feature. I'll take the closest 100 homes to that, and I will start contacting every single home around that home. And I'll just ask, do you know anyone in your neighborhood looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate? I've had some interested buyers in your neighborhood lately. Are you ever thinking of moving? Do your neighbors ever consider moving? I mean, this whole line of questioning. And then by the time I actually reach back around to that address, it's been a couple of more days. I'll either go knock on the door personally, or by that time, I will have already been seen in the neighborhood taking a listing.
Wow.